In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make link buttons on Steam profile. First, open Steam and sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the top bar and click your profile name, then choose View My Profile. That opens your public profile page, which is exactly where these link buttons will appear. Next, click the Edit Profile button near the top. You'll land in the Edit Profile area. Stay on the General tab. This is where you'll see the Summary section. Think of the summary as your bio. This is the text box where you'll add the button style links. Steam supports a simple BB code style format that turns text into a clickable button-like link. The format you'll use is URL, your link button text URL. Replace your link with the URL you want to point to, and replace button text with the short label you want people to click. Keep the brackets and equal sign exactly as shown, with no extra spaces. If you're linking to your own profile, you can use the custom URL shown near the bottom of this page as your link. If you're linking somewhere else, paste that full link instead. Either way, keep button text clear and short. Something like profile, screenshots, or workshop looks neat and is easy to read. Type your formatted links directly into the summary box. You can put multiple links in there. Separating them with spaces, dashes, or line breaks helps them read like clean buttons. Double check that the bracket order is correct and that you've closed each link with URL. A single missing bracket will stop the link from working. When you're happy with how it looks, scroll down and click Save or Save Changes. Now go back to View My Profile from the top bar to see how your summary renders publicly. Hover your mouse over each piece of button text. If the cursor changes and you can click it, it's working. If something isn't clickable, return to Edit Profile, review the BB code, and fix any typos. Small things like extra spaces inside the brackets or missing slashes are the most common issues. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.